guess she's getting jarred up her nose or something.
She gets down in there, sniffs up dirt, so then...
There you go.
Go ahead, get it!
Get it! Get it!
Get it! Get it! She comes up there with a mouse. I'm gonna be surprised. Is it moving?
What is it? What is it?
You gonna get it? Get it! Are you done? I'm guessing so.